kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Exactly, a trophy. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is very easy and simple drawing. This is the trophy of FIFA World Cup. FIFA is the biggest international football tournament. Teams of different countries are competent there. The winning team become the world champion. The winning team won the FIFA World Cup. It's held every 4 years. So like football games so much. And I also like FIFA World Cup. I also watch the football match in my mobile. Do you like the football match?
Different countries like United States and Canada host the match. The most recent winner was Argentina. I like this so much. Do you like this? See, my FIFA trophy is almost ready. Don't forget to outline the trophy.
Use the black deeper marker to outline the trophy. It makes the drawing perfect. Tell me what is missing. Yes, tell me. Exactly, coloring is missing. So let's coloring with me. I like coloring so much. Do you like coloring? What will tell me what is the color of trophy? Yes, its color is yellow. So I use yellow color in it. See, it looks like gold. Yellow color is my favorite color. Do you like the yellow color? FIFA World Cup is also held in this year. I'm enjoying to watch the football match. Do you like to watch the football match? Now I use the orange color. Orange is also my favorite color. Do you like the orange color? See, yellow and orange look so beautiful and awesome. Wow, that's awesome drawing. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this drawing? This is very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. I enjoy a lot to draw the trophy. I hope you also enjoy it.
Looks, my drawing is ready. It looks so beautiful and awesome drawing. See you soon.